Sino yung gustong pumasa? Pass or play?
Play na lang po. Play.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Excuse me, sir. Busy ba kayo? Hindi naman. So, I've got a push-up challenge with a 5,000 pesos cash prize. If you beat me, you win 5,000 pesos. If not, you still receive 200 pesos consolation prize. Sino yung gustong pumasa? Pass or play?
Play na lang po. Play ako.
Okay, bro, meron ng kumasa. Yes, sir. Pakalala po muna kayo.
Rice po.
Where are you from?
Santa Cruz po.
Where do you study, bro?
INCF po.
Okay. Before we start, stretching muna tayo. Bro, pwede mag-request? Ikaw yung mag-account sa amin. Okay lang. Okay lang. Is that okay for you?
Okay. Po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, kaya mo yan, guys! 43, 44,
Still, congratulations, bro. So, meron ka pa rin makukuha ang 200 pesos. Congrats. Nice try, nice try, nice try. So, baka meron kang gustong i-shout out, family, friends, or jowa. Baka meron jowa, di ba? Shout out nyo na po.
Shoutout po dyan sa mga kaibigan ko. Si Robert. Sayang wala ka dito, Robert.
Pakita mo.
Andito din si Barba.
So yan, thank you so much mga nakalaban ko from Naga, ibang school in CF, tapos sa Villa Caceres. And also thank you so much sa videographer ko. Yan bro, nice try. Nice try. Thank you, thank you. Bro, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Nice try. Thank you. Nice to meet you.